Hi, Dr. Roy Hall here from Mountain Health Functional Medicine in Billings, Montana. And I want to ask you, do you have an autoimmune issue or autoimmune disease? Are you not feeling good? Are you tired a lot of times? Do you hurt, ache, having trouble thinking? Are you tired of taking those fancy medications? Well, let me tell you, functional medicine is very good at reversing a lot of the autoimmune issues and getting people back to feeling like $1,000,000. So we do have a seminar coming soon on autoimmune issues. Please call our clinic, and the number is going to be listed above. Call and see when that seminar is. Come, let's visit. Let me show you how, when we use functional medicine practices by balancing the hormones, things like thyroid, adrenal, sex hormones, when we cut down inflammation in the body, when we restore really good gut health, the autoimmune issues evaporate. It's not that difficult. So please call us. Come to our next seminar. Let's make 2020 the decade of where you regained your vitality, your health, and you started having fun. Because I tell people, we live in Montana or Wyoming or the Dakotas, and that means we're supposed to be out fishing, hiking, skiing, hunting, being outdoors, having fun. But with autoimmune issues, you don't feel like having fun. All you want to do is just kind of sit around. So if you're tired of doing that, and you want to make this the decade of getting your vitality back, again, call us. Come to our next seminar. We got one coming up really quickly. Talk to you later. Thank you.